Alright, welcome back everyone. It's Albert Lebel, and I've got a challenge lock set up in the vise. Something kind of special, I think. It's called Pied, and it's number 2, and I want to say that's JCAR 99. JCAR 99. I could be saying that very wrong. Not sure, but I say special because I believe, and I did check my book, my log book, and I don't think I've ever done one by JCAR 99. I don't think so. So I dig it. I love trying new people's locks, man. It's just badass. Now, like I said, I hope I'm saying the name right, but there was a couple key tags on this one. There's one on the wrapped around the lock and one on the key. And it does say Pied, P-I-E-D, number 2, on both these tags. Now, it doesn't look too wicked though, but I am guessing it's a challenge lock. There's the key right there, Kwikset. I have not tried picking it, but I did check it out, and I did see it works like almost too good. So I'm not sure. Maybe this is what did it say? Number 2. Yeah, maybe it's just a second challenge lock. So maybe a new creator, challenge lock creator. And real quick, also I wanted to say that I am freaking humbled. I am just stoked. I reached 300 subs, 300 subscribers, and like I said, I'm just humbled by the whole thing. This is a we thing. I've always said that it's a we thing. So I mean, I didn't make it happen. We made it happen. So thank you very much for sticking around, and let's do this for another year, huh? I mean, we're wrapping this year up. I'm looking forward to doing this for another at least another year, I hope. I'm just starting to enjoy it. No, really. I love this stuff, man. And also, real quick, I know we need to get into lockpicking here, but I promised somebody, Paul Crossdale, that I would add you to the board, and you're right over here. Just put you on there today. So, welcome to the backdrop. All right, so enough blabbing. No, really though. I really want you to know how much I appreciate the subs. And I don't necessarily do this. I'm not much of a YouTuber. All that stuff's not as important as me learning how to pick locks as a hobby. I mean, the hobby itself that's the most important thing. Everything else is kind of secondary. Of course, you got to appreciate YouTube for giving us a platform to share this stuff. But I'm going to do this anyways. Having a platform like YouTube to share it on is just a big extra plus. So thank you. And I will be doing a giveaway. As you know, if you don't know, it's Christmas time yet. You live under a rock. But so it's going to be a little bit tight for a little bit here. But I will do a giveaway very soon. I'll get to that on an upcoming video, I'm sure. Right now, I need to shut up and pick this lock, or try. Alright, so top of the keyway, because it's Kwikset. That's going to have to do. And I got that ledge right there, like most Kwiksets do. And let's go with the gem. If the gem don't work, we'll try something else. Let me get a feel for it. Feels like pin 1 right off the bat. So let's get started then. Yep. Pin 1. There we go. Felt like it set. 2, 3. Feels like 4. Feels like it's set. Not real sure. Wasn't a really good click. Let's come back out. Feel around. I think I'm under 3. Nope. 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, there went 4 again. Okay, there we go. Now we went into a false set. I guess I didn't have 4 all the way set. Let's see, 5, 4, 3, 2. There we go. Okay, not too bad. But like I said, I think there's a number 2 on this tag, so it's probably the second challenge lock, so not bad at all. Little tricky, not horrible, but I mean you could tell by the key the bidding wasn't horrifying, so still fun though. Let's see what we got inside this sucker. Let's see what we got. Let's come down over here somewhere. Back out a little bit. Penny tray. That'll work. Alright. Good. So we're open. Yeah, I was stoked. And I honestly, I knew I was getting close to 300 subs. It was creeping up there nice and slow. And then I think it was Bear's Back. He commented on one of my last video, I think it was, and said congrats on 300 subs. So I went right away over to my channel homepage, and sure enough, a big 300. It's pretty badass. Very cool. Very cool. This is going to give us trouble, huh? All right. Dang it. There we go. There we go. All right. And I'm sure that stays on. Get a key in there. Try to use a shim just in case. I always like to use a shim. Like I've said before, why wouldn't you? Why not? You do this all the time. You got shims laying around. And you know what? That's not going in there very good either, so I'm glad I'm at least trying to use one. Okay. Follower. Alright, a 5-pinner. All needed picking. Let's see if we got any magic up in here. Looks like a standard in 1. Well, I guess it goes that way. I can't tell. Kwikset pins. Yeah. And see, if you use Kwikset pins, what I like to do if I use a Kwikset lock is I don't use either. If I do use the Kwikset pins, I flatten them on the top. When I'm done here, I'll show you why, if you're new and not familiar with this yet. Kwikset pins are actually quite awful from the factory, I think. Let's see. The core. No mods in the core. Nada. Alright. That shim out of there. Let's see what we got upstairs. Yeah, Kwikset pins are, we got a standard in 1. We've got a drunken spool in 2. Yep. We've got a, looks like a factory spool maybe in 3. Looks like serrated in 4. And it's like a factory spool in 5. That's alright. No mods upstairs, I doubt it. Nope, no mods. Alright, so fun little pick. What I say it was Pied number 2. So yeah, what I was saying, let me get a close up on these pins. Maybe we can explain it a little bit better. Most of you that are watching me, you probably already know all this stuff, but these Kwikset type pins, let me hold one up. If you're going to use them in it, well, let me speak for myself. If I'm going to use them in a challenge lock, I will flatten these tops on them. Where am I at? Flatten the tops, because you see that bevel on the top of those pins? That's why these Kwikset pins, you can flip them either way as a key pin because they're beveled. Now when that top is beveled, it gives your shear line, it gives you more of a shear line, so the lock is much easier to pick. Much easier. It helps you pick the lock actually. They're pretty low security, I guess you'd call them. So yeah, if you didn't know that, now you do. So we got key pins, they're all standard. Drivers, we got a standard in 1, drunken spool in 2, spool in 3, serrated in 4, and a spool in number 5. And all the springs look standard. So thank you so much. I want to say Chris Capune sent me this one a little bit back. And again, it was pied by, I hope I'm saying it right. Where's the camera at? JCar99. Thank you so much for pinning that up. Had fun picking it. That'll do it. And y'all, thank you again so much for the 300 subs. Like I said, I will be doing a giveaway really soon. So stay tuned for that. I'm not going to make a real big deal out of it because I really don't want to attract like the you know, the internet trolls and whatnot. So we'll kind of keep it close to home. And or not close to home in my state, but you know what I mean. All right, that'll do her. Big Al signing out.